Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on integrating LaraPush with your domain. Let's get started. Step 1. Start with adding domain in LaraPush panel. Adding your domain to the LaraPush panel. Navigate to the domain section, click on integration. Step 2. Choose website type. Decide if your website is a standard version or an AMP version. This choice will direct you to the relevant customization page. LaraPush offers 4 prompt types: custom, custom with backdrop, default and full screen. Explore these and select the one that align with your site aesthetics. Fine-tune settings in the advanced settings section. Optionally enable the bottom bell and position it on your page. Decide where to place the prompt on mobile devices, left, right or center. Preview the prompt to ensure it looks as expected. If satisfied, click Save to confirm your settings. Copy the integration tag provided by the LaraPush and paste the tag into the head section. Step 3. Download these files. Now it's time to upload these 2 files. You have to upload these files under public_HTML. If you have WordPress, you can do this manually, or you can use any file manager tool. If you don't have a WordPress site, you can manually upload these files under public_HTML. To upload these files using WordPress file manager, in the LaraPush panel, download the provided 2 files. In your WordPress dashboard, select Plugins and click Add New. Search for File Manager. Install and activate the WP File Manager plugin. Use the WP File Manager plugin to upload the cache files you previously downloaded. After uploading, clear your website cache to prevent any issues. Step 4. Verify the integration. Click Verify in the LaraPush panel to make sure everything's set up correctly. And that's it. Your setup is now completed. You can begin engaging your audience with LaraPush notifications.